Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 GMC Acadia. Starting right away up front, you have the front parking sensors. Nice chrome grille on the front end. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Second row bucket and third row bench seating. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist lift gate, so with simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside now. You have your cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, as well as heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.